Hello viewers. Today I will be teaching how to create letter portrait using Photoshop. So, let's start. First, open a new document with same properties as mine. Now drag and drop your image in Photoshop. Select the subject using Quick Selection tool. Once the selection is completed, then click on Refine Edge button and then select the area of hair to make precise selection and click OK. Now press Ctrl+J to copy the selection and delete the old image. Select Text tool and type the letter you want. Now press Ctrl+T to adjust the size of letter. Select the image layer, then press Ctrl+T and adjust the size according to the letter. Select the image layer and press and hold the Control button and click on image layer to select the subject, then apply mask on it. Now select the text layer and press and hold the Control button and click on text layer to select the letter. After selecting the text, select the image mask and then select the brush tool and start removing the extra image. Similarly, remove the remaining extra part of image using the lasso tool. Bring the image layer on top. Let's add some contrast in the image. Now add a black and white layer to make it look more dramatic. Add some contrast in the image. Now select all layers and right-click the Press Duplicate Layers. Now merge all duplicated layers. Press Ctrl+T, then right-click and select Flip Vertical and bring the image at bottom. Now select Gradient tool and apply gradient effect on bottom image. Let's reduce its opacity to make it look like real reflection. Now add a new gradient layer in background and copy all properties as mine. Let's have a look at final output. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.